Hello and welcome back to our channel Dr. Square. This is Dr. Muhammad Awais. In our previous video, we showed you how to download MaxQDA, the powerful qualitative data analysis software. Here I am excited to announce that I am a certified trainer of MaxQDA 2022, which is the latest version of MaxQDA. Before we dive in further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon button so you never miss any of our future videos. By the way, if you missed the download tutorial, make sure to check it out. And I have also added the link to that video in the description of this video. So without further ado, let's get started with the installation of MaxQDA. So first locate the setup file that you have downloaded. It is usually in your computer's downloads folder, but you might have saved it somewhere else. For example, I have saved in MaxQDA at desktop. I have created a new folder with the name MaxQDA desktop and then saved the setup file in that folder. Double click on the setup file to run it. This will initiate the MaxQDA installation wizard. In the installation wizard, simply click on the next button to proceed with the default installation setting. Now, if you would like to install MaxQDA in a location other than the default one, which is C program files MaxQDA 2022, click on browse button and choose your desired installation path. Otherwise, you can leave it as is, just like I did. Now you just simply need to hit install. So here's the exciting part. MaxQDA has been installed in your computer. Now if you want to start using it right away, make sure the box that says Start MaxQDA 2022 is checked. But I'm going to uncheck it because I am not intending to start it right away. It is also important to check if your system, if your computer meets the system requirements for MaxQDA 2022, whether you are using Windows or Mac. For Windows, the compatible operating systems are Windows 11 and Windows 10, but only 64-bit, with a minimum processor requirements of at least 2 cores, each running at 1.6 GHz. Though it is recommended to have 4 or more cores at 2 GHz each. You will need a minimum of 4 GB of RAM with 8 GB or more recommended, and a screen resolution of at least 1280 by 720, which is required, but 1920 by 1080 or higher is preferred. An internet connection is required for the initial activation, and if you plan to import .doc or .odt documents, ensure that you have Microsoft Word 2003 or newer and .NET 3.5 or newer. For Mac users, MaxQDA is compatible with Mac OS 13.0, Mac OS 12.0, Mac OS 11.0, Mac OS 10.15, and Mac OS 10.14. And similar to Windows, you will need at least a dual core processor with 1.6 GHz each. And here as well, 4 or more cores at 2 GHz each is recommended. 4 GB of RAM with 8 GB or more recommended, and a screen resolution of 1280 by 720 or higher. Internet connection obviously is necessary for activation. And MaxQDA supports ARM processors on Apple desktop and laptop computers, but not on Apple tablet computers. And yes, that is very important. If you're working on particularly demanding projects, it is advisable to have more robust hardware for optimal performance. And that's it. MaxQDA is now installed on your computer, and you all are set to dive into qualitative data analysis. And that concludes our MaxQDA installation tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. And if you have any questions or run into any issues during the installation, feel free to leave a comment below, and we will do our best to assist you. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials and tech related content and content related to social sciences research as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was useful to you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.